Welcome guys. In this video we are going to install and set up Visual Studio Code, which is an IDE, an integrated development environment, and it helps you to programming. As the first step, navigate your browser to code.visualstudio.com. Click on the Download for Mac button to download Visual Studio Code. When the download is finished, then open it. Now Visual Studio Code is running, and before we do anything else, we will install a Python extension. Search for Python extension, and we are looking for the most popular one, which is the first hit, and it is built by Microsoft. As the next step, we are going to install this Python extension. When it is finished, we can close the extension tab. Head to the File menu to create a new source code file. Save it. Name it as main.py. And then type print hello world. And finally, execute your Python code. That's all for now. I hope I will see you in the next lesson.